lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind what.
Hello everyone. Today's video is something different that I haven't tried before. Ever since hybrid work started, I'm going to office for half of the week and working from home for the rest. So I'm home alone during the day and I really started to enjoy my own company and cooking for myself. I find cooking very therapeutic. So in this video, I would like to share my experience with you of cooking your favorite food for yourself, enjoying the time by yourself, eating it, etc. I hope you enjoy this video. So let's get the day started.
The corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel alone.
These little songs make me glad to call you mine. And you have got my head in the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days. Just need your company, don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much. Just your simple love and it's everything.
This smoothie is really good. As in, I have not added any sugar in it, but it's still very sweet. I think it's because of the dates. It's really nice. You can shake it up sometimes by changing the fruit. You can change the cocoa powder. I sometimes add cinnamon. You can just change it up and enjoy different smoothie every day. That way it's really nice. For lunch, I am confused between dal khichdi and pasta. Then I realized I haven't had pasta in a few days. So we're going to go with pasta for lunch. Specifically mac and cheese. It's very easy. It's a one-pot recipe. So easy to make. So let's make lunch.
Walking to the market, strolling hand in hand, exchanging letters in your way. Don't need any effort when we are together. We always have fun throughout the day. I'll do anything to get your attention. When you say you love me, I seem to ascend to the heavens above, where we fall in love. I don't know what I would do without you, because all I need is you. Make me fly to the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days.
I'm also having some cucumbers along with that because otherwise I wouldn't be having any veggies today. So I just went for a walk outside and it's super cold. I think maybe it's also because it just rained. Anyway, it is dinner time, and for dinner my job is pretty easy because we have chana masala in the fridge. So I just need to make some wheat dosha to eat with it. wheat dosha or godamba dosha as told in Kerala. It's very simple. You just take a blender, put some atta, water and salt, blend it out and make doshas. It's very easy and not at all time consuming like rotis. So let's just make some doshas.
Your company don't need too much, just your simple loving, it's everything. The simple joy of hearing your voice every morning. I wake to a kiss on my face, so I don't need too much, just your simple loving, it's everything.
Can't imagine.
Dinner is ready. I'm just waiting for Harry to come back from the gym so that we can have dinner together. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, do give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
On rainy days, just need your company, don't need too much, just your simple loving.